Now this is what I meant where there's extra steps with the American flag. Whatever insert you have that's going to be the blue field, whether it's our stars or whether it's the 1776, you need to make sure you line that up with the stars and you trace around it. Because without that, it gets really confusing and you have to carve the inside of that. So I started off with the profile bit at about 1/8 of an inch deep. Now normally I go 3/16 to 1/4 of an inch deep, but these stars are pretty close together. And remember, you can always go deeper. It's easier to go back and repeat a step than it is to try to replace something you already took out. So I did a couple of the stars first to make sure that my depth is right where I want it, make sure that I can get around the stars without hitting anything else I don't want to hit.